Hey everyone, how are you doing? Today I've brought you some special content that could completely change your life, especially if you've been struggling with lack of focus, poor memory, or that mental fog that gets in the way of your daily life. I'm going to introduce you to MindQuell, a revolutionary supplement that's transforming the way people take care of their brain health. And pay attention, I'll share two crucial pieces of information at the end of the video, so make sure to watch until the end. But first, I need to make a super important announcement. MindQuell is available exclusively through the brand's official website. Why? Because unfortunately, there are counterfeits circulating out there, and I want to ensure you only get access to the original product with all the quality and guarantees you deserve. The official link is here in the description and also pinned in the comments. Now let's get to what really matters. Does MindQuell work? The answer is a resounding yes. This incredible supplement was developed with an exclusive combination of scientifically proven natural ingredients. We're talking about powerhouses like ginkgo biloba, famous for protecting your brain cells, and lion's mane, an extraordinary mushroom that stimulates the growth of new neural connections. And that's not all. The formula also includes Bacopa monnieri, spirulina, and moringa, a true brain health squad. Just imagine waking up every day with a sharp mind, remembering everything easily, and maintaining focus even on the most challenging tasks. That's exactly what MindQuell can provide. Whether you're a student needing to absorb tons of information, a professional who needs to stay at the top of their game, or simply someone who wants to keep their mind young and active, this supplement was made for you. And you know what's even more incredible? The manufacturer is so confident in the results that they offer a 365-day guarantee. That's right, you have a whole year to test the product. If for any reason you're not satisfied, you can simply request your money back. Zero risks, folks. Using it couldn't be simpler. One little drop per day, preferably in the morning with your favorite beverage. It's quick, no complications. The first improvements start appearing in just a few weeks, but the secret lies in consistency. For truly transformative results, I recommend using it for at least 3 months. The best part? MindQuell is 100% natural, free from synthetic chemicals and artificial additives. No unwanted side effects, just pure benefits for your brain. Folks, I made this video to showcase the incredible power of MindQuell. If you're ready to elevate your mental performance to another level, click the official link in the description. Take advantage now, because I don't know how long these special conditions will be available. And don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more incredible content about health and wellness. Let me know in the comments if you already knew about MindQuell, or if you have any questions. I'd love to chat with you. Take care and see you in the next video.